Hello everyone, welcome to Sarabsar classes. So today we are doing NTA Net History examination. That is a 18 June examination 2024. Yes, everyone knows that the examination got cancelled, but that paper is rescheduling very soon, and we just let you know the dates and all everything, which is formalities. And because exam is really very important, it will reschedule soon, as the NEET examination had happened on 23rd. Okay, so today we are solving those paper, the important questions, and maybe some questions repeat in your upcoming exam. So let's start with question number one. Question number one saying, okay, match list one with list two. List one saying Hema Saraswati, Sarala Dasa, Mukunda Raj, Ira Paragada. Okay, and list two there is literature, Uriya literature, Marathi literature, Assamese literature, Telugu literature. हिंदी में भी सभी का दिया हुआ है, हेम सरस्वती, सरला दास, मुकुंदराज, ईरा प्रागड़ और उसका साहित्य किस किस से मैच हुआ है. ठीक है, let's see what will be the right answer. So this is not easy because there are two options which are quite similar. For example, Hema Saraswati, he is a very popular poet, and Hema Saraswati is matching with Assamese literature. Okay, and Saral Dasa, it's matching with Odia literature. Okay, now we'll move on with Mukundaraj. Okay, because option 1 and option 2 is quite similar. Here we are seeing that A3 is there, B1 and B1 is there, but now we move with C. So one option saying C2, another option saying C4. तो कौन सा सही हो सकता है? C. Mukundaraj is matching with Marathi literature. So your answer will be A. Exactly. Your right answer is A. Okay. So let's tick on that. Yes. तो right answer के साथ चलते हैं. Option 1. Okay. Just a second. हम लोग कर देते हैं इसे click. चलो करते हैं टिक और बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. I hope you understand this answer. Okay, so most of the time you will be getting easy to choose, but sometime there must be a confusion in the question. So next question is question number 52. Which out of the following was stand by Mahatma Gandhi? ग्राम उद्योग संघ, तालिमी संघ, आर्य महिला समाज, शारदा सदन, मुक्ति सदन. ऑप्शंस आर देयर ए एंड बी, ए बी सी, बी डी ई और ए बी डी ई. निम्नलिखित में से किन की शुरुआत महात्मा गांधी द्वारा की गई थी? ग्राम उद्योग संघ, तालिमा संघ, आर्य महिला समाज या फिर शारदा भवन. तो फटाफट से बताइए व्हाट इज योर आंसर. सो व्हाट यू हैव टेकन इन योर एग्जामिनेशंस. ये सेम क्वेश्चन 2023 में भी आया है, बट द क्वेश्चन वाज चेंज समहाउ. दैट टाइम क्वेश्चन वाज देयर वाज four options and you have to select for the one which is incorrect. Here they are asking about which are started by Mahatma Gandhi. तो आर्य महिला समाज, शारदा सदन, मुक्ति सदन, these three are started by Pandita Ramabai. Okay, these were not started by Mahatma Gandhi. So answer will be easy, no? Answer will be first A and B. Okay, so in this way this question is important because it's continuously come in your examinations. So Arya Mahila Samaj, Mukti Sadan, Sharda Sadan, Pandita Ramabai. Okay, don't forget. Pandita Ramabai. Next question is question number 53. The earliest Vedic literature comes from a background of. आरंभिक वैदिक साहित्य की पृष्ठभूमि कहाँ से आती है? एग्रेरियन इकोनॉमी, पास्टरलिज्म, सैटल एग्रेरियन इकोनॉमी, कमर्शियल अर्बन इकोनॉमी, कृषि अर्थव्यवस्था, पशुचारण, बसावट वाली कृषि अर्थव्यवस्था या वाणिज्यिक शहरी अर्थव्यवस्था. What is this question is saying? The earliest Vedic literature, okay, comes from which background? So tell me what is the answer. Acha, this is also a question which have come already in your 2023 paper. The earliest Vedic literature comes from a background of, but there were options more than one options, A, B, A, C, something like that. But here in question, I'm just saying, yes, you have to choose only one. तो agrarian economy, pastoralism, कृषि जब थी तब वैदिक लिटरेचर स्टार्ट होता है या पशुचारण था तब? एक्चुअली बोथ. तो आंसर विल बी सेटल्ड एग्रेरियन इकोनॉमी. This is the pattern of NT. A questions with something trick. Okay. So Basawat wali Krishi Arthavastha where the agrarian and pastoralism both were situated. In next question, match the following. Pushtapala, Bhogapati, Kumaramatya or Sachvaghata. Okay, these are civil servants, officer of the Secret Service Department, Tehsil officer, officer in charge of records. These are repetitive questions, but posts are changed. Okay, maximum time they have given something post with the identification of the post. Okay, so Pushtapal, Bhogpati, Kumaramatya or Sachvaghat. So what is the right answer? Yes, question number 54, Pustamala. Pustamala means related with officer in charge of records because it's directly connected with Pustak, okay, book. Bhogapati, okay. Bhogapati, it's Tehsil officer. Why? Because Bhoga word is used for Tehsil or district. So the officer of district called Bhogapati. Kumar Matya, it's a very important post. Kumar Matya generally connected with civil servants, the topmost servants. Okay, so those are civil servants that they are maybe the king's sons or the king's closed relatives. Okay, so Kumar Mata is always a top priority. So they are civil servants, and such Vagata, it's connected with, because it's connected the word of such, it's truth. So officer of the Secret Service Department. The option A4B3C1, yes, option A is the right answer. Okay, let's move on the next question. Question number 55. Write the following in the chronological order. So question number 55. Okay, let's do it. What the question is saying, write the following in the chronological order. So chronology is always important. Okay, let's see. Option A, Greek rule ends in Bactria. Option B, rise of the Satvahana dynasty. Option C, Pushyamitra established the Shunga dynasty. Option D, Kharvela of Mahameghavana dynasty. Karikala became the ruler. These all things happen as the initial time when Janpadas was built. So let's do it. I'm giving you the whole detail, don't you worry. It's around 145 BCE. Satvana dynasty, you have to read about Satvana carefully, guys. It's very important dynasty. It's began around 2nd BCE. Okay, 2nd BC or end of 1st BC. Pushyamitra established the Shunga dynasty. Pushyamitra killed one important ruler. Do you know the name of that ruler is? Exactly, last Mauryan ruler. He killed last Mauryan ruler and then he took the power, and Shunga dynasty established after the Maurya dynasty. So the tenure of that Pushyamitra Shunga is, so it's around 185 BCE to 71 BCE, 187, 85 actually, 85 BCE to 71 BC. Yes, 71 BC. Kharvela or Mahamegh dynasty. I'm writing all the dynasty and important dates connected with this. Kharvela is very important ruler, guys. Okay. So the time period of Kharvela is 197 BCE, 193 BC to 180, 170, sorry, 170 BC. Okay. And Karikala is another important ruler. Can you tell me the dynasty which is connected with Karikala? Yes, tell me fast. You are preparing for your examinations. So it will make your answer easy because Karikala is Chola ruler. Okay, Karikala is Chola ruler. So Chola ruler is comes in around 80. So that will be last almost. Now tell me the chronology. Now it's easy, no? Because I have mentioned all the dates.